Dear AI aspirants, today we try to see one of the assignments in if-elif-else exercise. Okay. Without further delay, now let us jump into the assignment. Problem number 1. Write a program that asks the user to enter a length in centimeters. If the user enters a negative length less than 0, the program should tell the user the entry is invalid. Otherwise, the program should convert the length into inches and print out the results. And the hint it has been given, there is 2.54 centimeters in inch. So, this is the program. Length in centimeter, evolve I have given, input function, enter the length in centimeters. This is the a sign or a message I am printing on the console, so that the user will not get confused, will get clarity. So if is giving less than or equal to 0, I am printing entry, whatever the input you have given is invalid. Otherwise, I am converting into the inches by multiplying 2.54 into centimeters. So finally I am printing f string given length in centimeters converted into inches. So this is the first exercise. Now let us go to the second one, the problem number 2. Ask the user for a temperature, then ask them what units, it's a Celsius or Fahrenheit, and your program should convert the temperature of one unit to other unit, the conversion formula. If the in Celsius it has been given, how you will convert in the Fahrenheit. If you have given Fahrenheit, how you will convert into the centigrade. So here we try to take two of them. One is the temperature and its units. Okay. So if is units is Celsius, I am converting into the Fahrenheit. 9 divided by 5 into temperature in Celsius plus 32. The given temperature in Celsius, I am printing temp and convert into the Fahrenheit. If the units he has provided Fahrenheit, then I converting into the Celsius. See, 5 by 9 into temp minus 32, temperature in Fahrenheit minus 32, like that I am doing. If he is not mentioning Celsius or Fahrenheit, I am printing invalid temperature unit. This is the problem 2, or this is the problem 2. Now let us see the problem 3. Ask the user to enter the temperature in Celsius. Okay, it is always in a Celsius, but we are using the, if the temperature is less than minus 273.15, then we need to print. Okay, and if it is minus 273 and is equal minus 273.15, then we are printing as absolute temperature. Temperature is absolute and 0. And if it is in between minus 273.15 and 0, we are printing like this. It is 0 mean freezing point. It is 0 to 100 mean it's normal range. It is 100 mean boiling point. Above 100 mean above the boiling point. So we are asking the user to enter the temperature in Celsius. If it is less than minus 273.15, we are printing this. If it is equal to and within this range, if it is equal to 0, whether greater than 0 and less than 100, like this, we frame the statement into the if, elif, and like this we framed it. Yeah. Problem number 4. Write a program that asks the user how many credits the student has taken. If he has taken 23 or less, then the student is freshman. If it is taking 24, between 24 and 53, print this one. And if the range for the junior is 54 to 83 and the senior is 84 and above or over, So now I am asking the number of credits and I am composing if, elif, and else. Okay, you can see it. Less than 23 is a freshman, 54 to 83 is a junior, above if I am giving else, it is called as a senior. Problem number 5, generate a random number by using the random and rand init function between 1 to 10 and ask the user to enter. If both are matches, your guess is right, or you lost the game, or your guess is wrong. So I am taking the random number between 1 to 10 and I am storing the ran underscore number and I am taking the user underscore number from the keyboard. Enter a number between 1 to 10. If both are equal, you won the game, your guess is right, else you lost the game, your guess is wrong. And problem number 6, so there is a store is announcing a unit price, it could be the dollar or in rupees per item if you buy less than 10 items. Between 10 to 99 the cost is 10. If it is above or equal to 100, then the cost is 7. So write a program, ask the user how many items they are buying and print the total cost. So now I ask how many items are you going to buy, or if already bought, that is number of items. Now I am asking, I am comparing, if it's less than 10, I know the price is 12. I am multiplying each number of items with the 12 and I am printing total cost. If it is between 10 and 99, the number of items I am multiplying with the 10. If it is more than or equal to 100, then I am multiplying with the 7. So like this, here I have given 100 into 7, 700. This is the total cost. Now let us see the problem number 7. Write a program, ask the user two numbers and print close. If they are close, the distance between them is 0.01. Otherwise they are not close to each other. I am taking two number and I am doing the subtraction and I am making absolute, and if it's less than 0.001, then I am printing they are close to each other. Why you are finding the absolute? Because the sign I don't want whether one will be less otherwise, so I am taking the absolute value. So I have taken these two, these are close to each other. If I am taking 10 and 20, they are not close to each other because the distance between them is not within 0.001. Hope you understood. Problem number 8 is a leap year or not. So if it is divided by 4 and a year it is not divisible by 100, is a leap year. Again 400 and 100 in this combination, if it is divisible, then it is a leap year. Otherwise this is not in a leap year. So problem number 9, write a program, ask the user to enter a number, print all its divisors. So you are using this symbol. So first I am taking the number to find all the divisors. The number is nothing but I am entering into the 10, and here for loop I am taking in range 1 to num plus 1. It is starting from 1, so I am changing. By default it is 0, so then I am doing this one. So if it is remainder is 0, then it is properly divisible, and then I am making a count. So here I am printing 10 divided by 1, the remainder is 0, 10 divided by 2, the remainder is 0, 10 divided by 5, the remainder is 0, 10 divided by 10, the remainder is 0. Always it's 1 and the number itself, that is divisible. The rest of the things we have identified. So total divisors of a given number 10 count is 4. Now the problem number 10, now we reach it to the last one. So write a program, ask the user hours between 1 to 12. This is something like as an AM PM, so 12 hours, and enter him, it's AM or PM. Ask how many hours in future they want to go or they want to stay, and you need to give the final time, future time, printing AM or PM. So here I am asking what is the present hour, enter the hours between, what is the present hour. Now let us say 8. So what is the AM or PM? So I am printing like as in 1 for AM 2 per pm. So first one is a, and now I am telling how many hours in the future they want to go or they want to stay. So here entered as an 5. So 8 plus 5, so it will become as an 13. So now we divide by 12, after 12 after am. So we try to get the next one will be the pm. So this is where I have done. So if is not enter or am or pm, so if is not enter into the type 1 or type 2, we try to give it and we are exiting how many hours. So I am adding this one, and what I am doing is, if it is already in the am, so then next after 12 what we try to get, it is a pm. If it is already pm, after 12 what we try to get am. So this is the one I have made the logic. So hope you can see this one, and if you have any doubts on this assignment, please write your comments in the comment section. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much. We try to meet in the next video.